You're watching Indy Nation News. No cap, ever.
Good morning, Indy Nation. I'm Kaz Sudis, and this is Indy Nation News.
And I'm Aaron, the Fractured Pepling, and here's what you need to know as you start your day. ITPA will be performing 6 Teen Edition this weekend. Come learn the truth behind the 6 ex-wives of Henry VIII. Witness a celebration of girl power throughout fun and vibrant numbers you won't want to miss. Scan the QR code for tickets.
6 is kind of a big deal. It's been super popular on Broadway, and we were all waiting for the rights to come out for high schools to be able to perform them. So I think we're the first high school in Virginia to do the show.
Our annual student-faculty volleyball game will be on Friday, March 15th. If you want to enter the lottery to play on one of the student teams, fill out the Google form using the QR code here or in your grade level. Schoology course by Friday, March 8th. Players will be notified through LCPS email on Monday, March 11th.
The library now has 2 3D printers for student use. Stop by the library and let Mrs. Major or Mrs. Kindler show you how easy it is to design and print your own projects.
The Independence Chamber Orchestra is competing at LCPS District Orchestra Assessment this Saturday at Light Ridge High School. Here's a clip of their performance of Mendelssohn's Symphony No. 5.
That's all the time we have for this edition of Indy Nation News.
Have a great day, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.